In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to collect emails using ConvertKit through app.kit.com step by step. If you're building an audience, growing a newsletter, or selling digital products, email marketing is one of the most powerful tools you can use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully published form ready to start collecting subscribers. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to app.kit.com. Log into your ConvertKit account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, this is where you'll manage your audience, forms, emails, and automations. To start collecting emails, look at the top navigation menu and click on Grow. This section is specifically designed to help you grow your email list. Under Grow, click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is where you can create opt-in forms that allow people to subscribe to your email list. Now click on Create New. ConvertKit will ask you what you'd like to create. Since we want to collect emails on a website, sales page, or landing page that we host ourselves, select the option that says you can embed a form anywhere on your website, sales page, or landing page that you host yourself. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. ConvertKit provides several pre-designed templates that are already optimized for conversions. Click and choose the template that best matches your brand and style. Don't worry too much about perfection here. You can customize it in the next step. After selecting your template, click on Choose. This will open the form editor. Inside the editor, you can customize your headline, description, button text, and colors. Make sure your headline clearly explains what the subscriber will get, whether it's a free guide, newsletter updates, or exclusive content. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Save and Publish. This is a very important step because your form won't be live until you publish it. After publishing, ConvertKit will generate embed code that you can copy and paste into your website so visitors can start subscribing immediately. Now, if you want to quickly locate or manage this form later, you can highlight it in your form's dashboard for easy access. This helps if you plan to create multiple forms in the future. To see how many people have subscribed, go back to the Form section and click on Total Subscribers. This will show you the overall number of people on your email list. If you want to view subscribers from a specific form, click on the name of that form, for example, Cocoa Form, or whichever name you gave it. Inside, you'll be able to see subscriber activity, growth, and performance metrics. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a ConvertKit form to start collecting emails. Now all you need to do is drive traffic to your website or landing page, and your email list will begin to grow. Email marketing is one of the best long-term assets you can build, so the sooner you start, the better. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on ConvertKit and other powerful tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.